Good afternoon, Hayward Allen Toyota customers. My name is Jeff and I represent the parts department here at Hayward Allen Toyota. And I'm going to show you an accessory that we offer for your new Toyota Tacoma pickup truck, a blackout exhaust tip. So the exhaust tip we're going to be showing you this afternoon, this fits a new Toyota Tacoma pickup truck. The finish is black chrome, and they do also offer, by the way, a regular chrome finish exhaust tip. This one is black chrome. I'm going to show you what it looks like today. The exhaust tip, you can see it has a very beautiful black chrome finish. It has the Toyota emblem embossed into the tip, and we'll show you how to install it on the truck. So this is the clamp that you will use, and also the inserts to install this exhaust tip on a Toyota Tacoma. The exhaust tip right here, you just slide this tip on the end of the exhaust pipe, and this clamp right here has a large nut right here, and it's just a simple metric socket and ratchet, and you will slide this tip onto the end of that exhaust pipe right there and just tighten it up. It snugs up just perfectly and dresses up the exhaust on your Toyota. This particular Toyota Tacoma has a blackout or what they call a nightshade package on it, so this exhaust tip goes perfectly with that. There you go, the blackout exhaust tip for a Toyota Tacoma pickup. They also offer this for 4Runner and maybe 1 or 2 other models. If you'd like to check us out, please come visit us here at Hayward Allen Toyota in the parts department. We'd be happy to help you, and we very much appreciate your business. Thank you.